Hi, this is Sean with Only Gizmos, and today we are going to take a look at the Facebook app for the iPad. Yes, it is the official Facebook app for iPad. After more than a year of the launch of the iPad and the various leaks and rumors of an Facebook app, we finally have the official version here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the various features that the new Facebook app for the iPad has. Okay. So here we go. So the UI of this latest Facebook app is a lot more like the web-based version of the Facebook. Okay. So as you can see here on the left hand side, you have a pane using which you can browse through the various features. You have your favorites, which include your news feeds, messages, your locations, and the new addition here is that you can also visit your pages and control them as well. You can post using the Facebook app for the iPad. You can delete your status posts, as you can see, just by swiping with the swiping action, as you can see here. This is how notifications pops up on the app. It's similar for the messages or your friend requests. And the other very interesting thing that they have added in the Facebook app is the option for the apps. Like we can see over here, there is, as we go in the apps, we see Flickster and Shout in apps. So once I click on Flickster, what this does is that it takes you to an app which is optimized for the device which you're using on the Facebook app. So in case of an iOS device, we are redirected to the app on the App Store, and in case you are using any handheld device like a mobile device, you would be redirected to an HTML5 app. So what Facebook is trying to do is that it is trying to optimize your experience on the Facebook with the various apps. So let's go ahead back to the app. So that was the apps feature on the iPad. Now moving on to the privacy settings or the other settings on the iPad using the Facebook app. You can see the privacy setting allows you to control all the various privacy options that you would have on your web interface as well. Now this was already existing on the Facebook app for the iPhone, as you can see here. There you go. So the options more or less are exactly the same for the iOS app on the iPhone and the iPad. So that was the Facebook app for the official Facebook app for the iPad. After more than a year of delaying and with the third-party Facebook apps selling millions of apps on the App Store, you finally have the official Facebook app for the iPad.
Free.